How to get your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube in 2025. Okay, how to get your first 1000 subscribers. It is very, very simple and easy. You know, in 2024, a lot of creators were finding it very difficult to get their first 1000 subscribers or their first 500 or 100 subscribers. But I am here to tell you for free that getting your first 1000 subscribers is very, very easy in 7 days. I know some people will come out and tell you that before you start a YouTube channel, create a niche, find yourself in a niche. But I want to tell you something. You're creating a YouTube channel for the first time. You're not used to camera, you're not used to creating of content. It is not your thing. Let's assume you don't have a YouTube channel before. In fact, you've not appeared in front of a camera before. Let's just assume that. And now you want to go into YouTube. Will you stick to just your niche? If you're into educational content, if you're into traveling content, if you're into tech review, let's assume phones like iPhone or Samsung, when they release a new phone today, it will take them like 5 to 6 months before they can produce another set of phone. So you need to tell me that you sit back for the rest of the month without creating any content. If you do that, your channel will go down. Okay, so this is where my number one comes in: diversity of content. To my friends, to my brothers that are also doing a faceless channel, diversity of content has really helped them. When I say diversity of content, yes, I know that you're into tech review, but you see a trending topic. There's a way you can bring in that trending news at the middle of your video, known to them that this channel is an educational channel, but you are jumping on this trending news to share your knowledge about what is happening. Okay, I can bet you if you have 50,000 views from that trending gist, 50% will watch your other videos. In fact, 100% will watch the rest of your videos. 50% will stay, will like your content, will like your previous content, and 50% will go. And at the end of the day, you discover that you've gotten watch time, you've gotten subscribers. It is only few creators out of 100%. I can tell you that it is only 20% or 30% started YouTube successfully from their niche. They got their first 1000 subscribers and their 4000 watch hour from their niche. It is only 30%. Most of the creators out there that you're seeing with 500 subscribers, 1 million, go to their oldest video and you'll discover that when they started YouTube channel, they started with the lifestyle niche, they started with the traveling niche, they started with comedy, they started with music, and today they are doing crypto review, they're doing phone review. As a creator on YouTube, always apply diversity of content. I have a faceless channel, right? And you know that it will not be possible for me to be creating content here and also be creating content for the other faceless channel. What I did, I was diverting, I was bringing new things together, and before you knew it, I got my first 4000 watch hour. So at this point now, I've gotten my 4000 watch hour. You can decide whether to continue on that particular niche, okay, or you can decide whether to move into celebrity gist, or you want to move into lifestyle. All right, if you think I'm lying, at the end of this video, look at those top celebrities. No, I'm not talking about celebrities that are into music. Look at those top educational channel and go to their oldest video. So the first video they uploaded, and you know that out of 100%, it is 20% that got their watch time from their niche. Okay, and the number 2 on my list is jumping on trending news. When I say jumping on trending news, not all trending news you should jump on. Like, as of when I was recording this video, a gospel minister and his record label were having a little issue, and with the look of things, this kind of issue can last for the next 1 year. It can last for the next 7 months. So in this interval of 1 year, you can create a content, and I bet you can get watch time from there. When I started this channel, I wanted to make this channel educational channel, and I said to myself, it is very difficult for you to get blown up by YouTube with educational channel, except you're consistent. All right, so what did I do? I jumped on trending news. Like when I started, most of my watch time I got them from trending news, and at the end of the day, some of my subscribers stayed and some did not. It's not that they unsubscribed from my channel, just that they were not showing interest. It took me time for me to start building up that engagement, that audience all over again. Okay, so okay, I want to put a challenge to you. If you don't have a channel, if you don't have a niche, if you, in fact you've not created anything on your channel for the first time, I want you to create 2 channels. All right, one, you make it your niche, your preferred niche that you want to dwell with. You make it your niche, and the other one, you make it your faceless channel. Just post on the both side, and after 1 month you will see the results. Okay, you will get blown up from your niche if you have an engaging topic and you have a good thumbnail. You get blown up. This other one, just be jumping on trending news, daily trending news, and you'll see the difference. Okay, and when I'm talking about trending news, don't just jump on a trend that you know that it will only last for 2 weeks. Like when this Nigerian actor died, Mr. Ibu, may so rest in peace, some creators jumped on it, and I think the news only lasted for 1 week. Let's assume you wanted to go into that gist, and you keep on creating content based on that topic. After 1 week, people stop searching for that topic, and any video you create won't get any engagement. Okay, and again, how you can look out for trending news, you can go to Google, look for a trending topic that has lasted in the past 7 days, the past 1 month. In this past 1 month, you look at those topics that you know that it can arise in the next 2 months. Okay, because if you go to Google Trend and look at topics in the past 9 months, you see trending news. You will notice that there was a time Mohbad was trending, Mr. Ibu was trending. Those kind of trends won't come back again, but you can still look at some gist about pastors, which you know that every Sunday a new pastor will come out with his or her own trending topic. Okay, so you can just focus your analysis on those trends news. Okay, so the last but not the least is creating an ad on Facebook, directing them to your community. It can be on WhatsApp, it can be on Telegram. So when you direct them to your Telegram or to your WhatsApp, I will stop there for now for the sake of community guidelines. But if you feel you want to know more, you can hit me up on Instagram or on Telegram. Maybe I can share some things with you. Alright, so for now I won't be able to go further. So I have come to the end of this video. For the sake of the community, I won't be able to go further. Alright, so I've come to the end of this video. Okay, remember to always apply diversity of content, jump on trending news, and run a community engagement, because we have a lot of people on, most people that come to YouTube always come from Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Okay, there's a way you can direct them. Maybe I'll do that in my community. If you feel like you want to get that, you can join my community. I can list or share that knowledge with you. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, educating, please do well to support me and my family, because it's my family that is sending me here. Support me by subscribing to my channel, share this video, like and comment, and I promise you your life will never remain same. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.